Hi there, gals and guys. I hope you're all well as I am. And it's been a really busy couple of days because my previous video cam, which is my iPhone 11 Pro Max, it got maxed out with YouTube videos about vintage sewing machines. So I had to make a decision, and early this afternoon, I was able to get a really nice little camera, and this is it. It's a Panasonic LUMIX DMC ZS60, and it's new. It's a lot smaller. I don't really need the big rig that I was using, that I needed to hold the smartphone. This is a camera. It fits right into the hot shoe on the tripod, so I'm not hugging the tripod as much anymore. But anyway, I just wanted to touch base quickly and get back to where we left off, and I'm not ready to pick up and do all three needle thread tension control units right now. This is still a little bit of a test. It's actually my first video. I did upload two short videos. One was a minute long and one was 54 seconds long. But anyway, here we are with the parts and pieces of the needle thread tension device, and this came off of this sewing machine right here, which is Jebb, is a 411G, and so this is where these parts came from. And I'm just going to zoom in just a little closer. Nothing to... Okay, there, we can see all the parts there. And I'm working off the service manual, the maintenance manual. So that's what these names that I call these things, that's where these names are coming from. This is the actual Singer documentation. Well, it doesn't say that on here. It doesn't say Singer, but it used to, I'm sure. Anyway, so needle thread tension, and this is kind of an exploded view. We have all the parts laid out here, and this is called R2. What do they call R2? Do they even mention it here? But it is the needle tension stud. And then this pin, it fits inside of here. This flattened end of the pin, the release pin, this is the needle thread tension release pin. And it goes in with this flat end so that the flat end can hit this thing here. So that's how that goes, and obviously it has to be horizontal, just like the adjusted space there in the... somebody took some pliers or a screwdriver and pried that apart. I would expect that somebody looked at the unit and saw that and thought, oh, you just put a screwdriver in there and turn it and the whole thing will come off. And so that may have happened. But anyway, so that goes first. And then the next thing that goes on here is this end of the spring. And the reason I say that end is because the way it's built is that goes like that. These three discs go like that. And then this device here, it goes on there too. Oh, I lost my pin. Oh, there, we're back, we're in good shape. And so that's how that goes. Then we take the indicator, the plus minus indicator, and we install that like that. I'm just going to back this up a little. Nice. And After that, we have the needle tension device spring. A lot of people call it the beehive spring. And then after that, we have the stop washer. Following that, we have the numerator dial, the number dial. Then we have the, actually that's not quite, I think that goes like, yeah, this goes like, that goes like that. I need to separate this first. There. And this goes on here, but it's difficult to catch the thread because the stud was widened. So I had it, oopsie daisy, I had it on the other day, yesterday I guess, after I had, oh there we go, maybe I just needed to push it down further. There. So now that is threading, and I'm not going to do it all the way. Then this could go on. Oh no, that's, then this. Does that go on? Yes, it does. That goes on. And then this. And then this. And then this screw is tightened to keep this in. And that's how it's all back together. I'm going to make another little video about this today. And take my time and do, you know, maybe do, I'll be using my camera a lot today because it's brand new. And I have to read the manual, play with the camera, go back and read the manual again, or some more, or what have you. So thank you for your patience, my viewers, my subscribers, my visitors. I appreciate you all. And remember, when you do things that help the Jebb Adams channel, it helps the sewing machines. You know, things like subscribing and notifications. Anyway, have a great day. Stay safe. Stay fun. Have fun. Stay safe and keep healthy. Ciao, amigos.